The Game 2 of our championship round for our juniors division is now on, as this is the battle of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. At ngayong hapon po ito, mas bakbakan yung ating mapapanood kasi nasabi ko na nga po, it's the Game 2 of our finals para sa ating juniors division. Of course, makakasama niyo po kami para maghatid po ng maaksyong laban dito sa loob ng court. I am Cristina Canzo Reyes, and with me is Rick Puerta.
Talagang napakaganda ng matutunghayan natin dito sa araw na ito. Again, it's the Game 2 of our finals in our juniors division. Live na live po tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga GYMNASIUM, and also sa ating mga media partner. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page. So tutok lamang po tayo because maya-maya magsisimula na ang pinaka-inaabangan nitong mga audience natin dito, and as we can observe at this moment, punong-puno na po ang ating venue. So, anong ini-expect ba natin dito? Siyempre, papakitaan tayo ng dalawang kupunan na ito ng napakagandang match-up on their first encounter sa Game 1 ng ating finals. Talagang dikit doon sa ating first quarter up until the third quarter, itong dalawang kupunan, which is the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. But on the fourth quarter, biglang nabigla tayo because NCF, sunod-sunod dito yung pinapakitang napakagandang outside shooting and inside shooting. But this time, ano ang gagawin ng ACLC Hawks? It's a win or go home situation para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And to hear an update on the side of the ACLC Hawks, tawagin natin ang ating coach sa reporter Zai. Hi Zai, kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Magandang hapon, Tin and Rick, and magandang hapon din sa ating basketball fans. Ito na ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, ang Bucal Season 6 Men's Basketball Juniors Division. It's the NCF Cubs laban sa ACLC Hawks sa isang matinding bakbakan para sa championship. Ako si Shula Morzai-Meniano at narito tayo sa live courtside to bring you all the actions at our official broadcast partners, One Media TV 48 Naga and Bucal's official Facebook page. At para nga malaman kung ano ang mga kaganapan ng Hawks maya-maya, andito ang ating isa sa key player. We have here John Bernard Basagre. Hi, magandang hapon sa iyo, Bernard. Kamusta ang nararamdaman mo now at your final year at final?
Excited po sa makakalabang ko ulit yung former school ko po.
Oh, so it's your former school. Anong pakiramdam na you're going against your former school?
Masaya po kasi dati kakampi ko lang sila ngayon. Makakalaro ko na sila ngayon sa finals.
Well, ano ba ang plano ninyong gawin sa loob ng court para sa finals today?
Unang-una po, gusto sabi namin ni Coach, unang mano namin yung communication para mas maganda po yung laro namin.
Okay, may gusto ko bang pasalamatan or may gusto kang i-shoutout here at our official broadcast partner?
Shoutout ko po sa ACLC community na nagsusuporta si Sir Adrian sa asawa ng Step, sa mga coaches namin, sa kakampi ko, sa nanay at tatay guys, sa nanay at papa ko nanonood.
Maraming salamat. Here we have it, our key player, John Bernard Basagre, jersey number 3. Well, both teams have been nothing short of spectacular this season. Since the Cubs, known for their fast-paced offense and deadly perimeter shooting, will go head-to-head with the Hawks, a team na kilala sa kanilang physical defense. At grabe ang laro nila sa paint. Sino kaya ang mag-uuwi ng corona ngayong gabi? The championship is on the line and it's all or nothing for these two teams. Kaya, Tin and Rick, balik muna sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan ang ating ACLC Hawks. Handang-handa na dito para makuha yung panalo at magkaroon pa tayo ng Game 3 ng ating championship round for our juniors division. And of course, John Bernard Basagre, talagang isa sa napakagandang performance dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks during the Game number 1 against the NCF Junior Cubs. Napakaganda nung ipinakitang performance dito ni Basagre as well as Guarino on that defense. Kaya naman ngayong hapon na to titingnan natin, mas kailangan nilang paigtingin to ngayon dahil kapag nakuha po ng NCF Junior Cubs yung panalo ngayong hapon na to, they will be the champion of our Bucal Season 6. Kaya napaka-crucial po nito sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. Well, on the other side, the NCF Tigers, meron ng advantage dito para sa ating Game 2 kung saan kapag nakuha nga po nila yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito, they will be hailed as the champion of the Bucal Season 6. And we can see on that previous game against the ACLC Hawks, napakaganda ng performance dito ng ating NCF Tigers. And to hear an update at kung paano nga ba pinaghandaan itong laro ng NCF Junior Cubs, let's hear it from Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
2 teams, 2 mantras, but only one dream coming true here, whose fate is set to be the Bucal Season 6 champion. A high-energy afternoon, basketball fans from all around the Bicolania. I am Maui Balane, and I am thrilled to be your courtside reporter for the finals Game 2 of the Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division. And at this afternoon, we will be having here one of the graduating players of the NCF Cubs who gave it his all on and off the hard court for his team. Xavier Sutpin. Hello, Xavier. Good afternoon. Xavier, as a graduating player, now that you're 1 win away from reclaiming your former glory, what's your mindset for today's game?
Our mindset for this game was to be just focused, stay with the plan, stick to the team, palagi lang kami makinig sa coaches namin, then trust each other.
Alright, Xavier, with everything on the line in the game 2, how are you balancing the pressure and staying focused to help your team stay in contention for the championship?
Sa ngayon, parang hindi naman namin nag-feel yung pressure kasi mas na-excited kami na makapaglaro talaga ngayong finals. Lalo na, tagal-tagal namin itong pinagtrabahuan, pinagpaguran, yung sacrifices namin. Ito na yun, wala pressure ngayon. Focus na.
Alright, thank you so much, Xavier Sitpin. And of course, all the best to the NCF Cubs. Now, Xavier Sitpin and his team are ready to rise to the occasion and make a difference in this crucial part of this match. It's the battle for pride, legacy, and the ultimate glory. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui, for that update on the side of the NCF Cubs. Ayan, narinig naman natin dito sa player ng ating NCF. Talagang walang kaba-kaba onto this game number 2 because again, it's their pride, it's their school, and it's all about glory. Ibabalik ang glory days on the side of the NCF Cubs. So let's see as this game progresses because again, napakaganda at napakainat po ng paghaharap nitong ating NCF Cubs together with the ACLC Naga. So, Tin, anong masasabi mo? Kasi at this moment, talagang hindi pa nga nagsisimula itong bakbakan. Ramdam mo na yung tensyon at init dito sa loob ng court.
Ayan nga, Rick, napakaganda kasi nung bakbakan itong ating dalawang kupunan dahil nagdalaman sila sa magandang opensa as well as on the good defense. So now, the very crucial point of this matchup, talagang bawasan nila yung mga errors, turnovers na talaga naging problema nila during the game 1 of this championship round. And now, nandito tayo sa ating game 2, most especially on the side of the ACLC Hawks. They really need to step up para makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon at magkaroon pa tayo ng Game 3. But as we can see right now, the NCF Junior Cubs have the chance here to proclaim as the winner of our Bucal Season 6. Pero ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari as the game start in just a few minutes.
Ayan, Tin, talagang aabangan natin dito and tutok lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and One Media TV48 Naga. And of course, live na live rin po tayo sa ating YouTube channel. We have the One Media TV48 Naga YouTube channel. So sa mga team bahay po, comment down below at isha-shout out namin kayo. So when we come back, magsisimula na ang much-awaited bakbakan Game 2 of our finals on our Juniors Division, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isa puso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
Again here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the finals game 2 of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. And as we can see right now, punong-puno po muli ang ating gymnasium para sa ating NCF community and the ACLC Hawks. Ngayon, ito yung bakbakan na hinihintay ng mga fans nitong ating dalawang kupunan dahil napakaganda po nung performance na ipinapakita nila. And kudos din doon sa performance na ginawa nila during the Game 1 of our championship round. So for this Game 2, talagang aabangan natin yung mas pina-intense na bakbakan nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Now, let's meet here the lineup of the Naga College Foundation and the ACLC Hawks.
Hiyawan sa loob ng ating venue. Because again, makikilala na po natin ang line-up for both teams. Again, this is the Game 2 of the finals sa ating Juniors Division. ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Cubs.
Now we have Gloria, Supin, Chamante, Vargas, and Borromeo. A strong starting five on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Let's see here if their momentum is still on top para dito sa ating game number 2. Now on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, we have Barin, Pasagre, Untolan, Bautista. Para dito sa side ng ating Hawks. And we also have Bien, humahabol para dito sa side ng ACLC. Now, that's the buzzer para sa pag-uumpisa ng ating matchup ngayong hapon na ito. And of course, kanina nangyari nga po ang ating battle for third for both seniors and juniors division kung saan pareho pong nakuha ng ACC Green Serpents yung second place para sa ating juniors and seniors division. Now let's see here as the championship round game 2 starts. Yan now, ACLC on the offense. Unang quarter, bakbakan agad doon sa rebound na yun. Now, that ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Bautista Ito si Bautista, hindi natin medyo naramdaman during the game number 1 of the ACLC Hawks. So now, let's see here.
So, ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang unang puntos para sa larong ito? Sudpin itatawid ang bola. Passing the ball to Borromeo. Looking for his teammate and taking his time. Now Vargas, too short. Pero offensive rebound. Vargas to Sudpin with 10 seconds to shoot. Another great defense on the side of the NCF Cubs. And with that, a foul was whistled on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now Diamante on that free throw opportunity.
At grabe yung depensa doon sa baba ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kailangan up until the end. And dyan yung consistent and good strategy of the Hawks here sa ating game number 1.
Diamante, one more time for him, no good. ACLC on the offense. Pasagre to Bautista.
Now Bautista, 16 seconds to shoot here. The ACLC is looking for their first basket. Pasagre! Again without the move. But a foul was whistled here. Signature move na yun, ni Pasagre. And sabi niya nga kanina, playing with his former teammates. Isang napakagandang experience para sa kanya. Now Pasagre, first free throw and the first basket of the ACLC. Let's see for another free throw here. As John Bernard Pasagre, most important player on the side of the ACLC as of the moment here. NCF on the offense.
Sudpin, may hawak ng bola. Borromeo looking for his teammate. Forcing that one. No good. Offensive rebound para dito kay RD Vargas pero wala pa din.
Ako, nakikita natin na hindi pa medyo mainit na pagpuntos ng NCF Tigers, but as you can see on their defense, dito naman sila bumabawi with that big man's on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Let's see here, babawi ba si Vargas? They're still here, Pasagre against Borromeo, and now a fast break para sa side ng Hawks dito. And Pasagre muling nagpapakitang gilas para dito sa community ng ACLC Hawks.
Sudpin, heavily guarded by Bautista. Borromeo. Miscommunication para dito sa ating NCF Cubs. Now, another opportunity para dito sa ACLC Hawks na madagdagan ang kanilang lead.
At yun nga, Rick. At hindi kailangan na maging consistent lang itong ating ACLC Hawks, because knowing the NCF Junior Cubs, kung sa una medyo na nararamdaman natin yung hindi masyadong maganda na opensa, talagang babawi sila dito. So now let's see on how the ACLC Hawks can handle this one. As again, naubusan ng oras dyan, a 24 seconds shot clock violation para sa side ng Hawks.
Now, balik NCF ang ating ball possession. So, let's see kung may bababa dito ang kalamangang hawak ng ACLC Hawks or they will tie this matchup. Borromeo looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Tight defense para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. 5 seconds to shoot. And no good on the 3-point attempt by Vargas. Diamante to Loria. Borromeo. And Borromeo Kakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity. So another foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. They need to lessen their fouls here.
Now the NCF Tigers, 6 minutes and 56 seconds remaining here. Just a 1 point para dito sa ating first quarter. But now, a quick shoutout lamang po dito sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin. Shoutout kay Kylie Hernandez at kay Susan Segura. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, let's see here. As the ACLC still on the lead of 2. Ontolan. 15 seconds to shoot, loses that one. Ball is still okay on the side of the ACLC, and they still here. Pero that ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Magandi. An exchange of Ontolan. Now having a great performance during the first game against the NCF Tigers. Itong si Lagundi, isa din sa mga key players na napapakinabangan dito sa side ng Hawks, and Bautista having that 3-pointer para dito sa side ng ating ACLC. Adjusting the lead by 5. Now Artie. Pass to Borromeo. 8 seconds to shoot here. Borromeo heavily guarded, loses that ball. Bautista secured that one, passes to Basagre. Basagre one more time for a fast break there. And as you can see, the ACLC community is really celebrating the small wins of the Hawks here. Now let's take a look at it again as Basagre fires that basket. At napatawagan ng timeout dyan itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Dahil dito sa ating first quarter, 7 agad yung nagawang kalamangan ng ACLC Hawks. So now let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Dahil alam naman natin pinaghandaan dito, pinag-aralan kung ano nga ba yung depensa dito ng NCF Junior Cubs na ngayon. Talagang gagawa ng paraan ng ACLC Hawks para makalusot at makagawa ng magandang offensive Rick.
Ayan, 7-point lead para dito sa ating first quarter. And this is a great start on the side of the ACLC Naga. If they really want to snatch this game and extend this finals sa Game 3, kailangan nila dito maging consistent. And let's see after this timeout kung yung NCF Cubs din mabubuhayan na dito, because again, hindi mo pwedeng hayaang palubuhin dito yung kalamang hawak ng yung opponent, because both teams talagang uhaw at gutom na makuha itong panalo sa araw na ito. So let's see as the NCF gets the ball possession. Ten seconds to shoot. Borromeo forcing that one. And another miscommunication. They are trying.
Basagre for the third time, having that good connection with his teammates. And now the ACLC's momentum is high para dito sa ating first quarter. John Bernard Basagre nagpapakitang gilas dito, pero agad bumawi itong si Diamante at hindi hinayaan na mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan na nagagawa ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. But this is a good start para dito sa ating Hawks. Kailangan lang nila maging consistent dito dahil mahirap na kung sa kalagitnaan ng laro biglang bumitaw ulit yung magandang momentum na pinakahawakan ngayon ng ACLC Hawks, is knowing the NCF Tigers sa una medyo tahimik pero umaarangkada during the next quarters of the game here. And after that last sequence, naubusan nga ng shot clock itong ating ACLC Hawks. So this will be an opportunity for the NCF Junior Cubs to do something and to lessen that gap na nagawa nitong ating ACLC Hawks with the help of Basagre.
Now ipapasok dito si Aike. Isa din sa mga inaabangan dito ng NCF community. because of his strong performance. Now, 15 or rather 13 seconds to shoot para sa NCF Cubs. Borromeo passing the ball to Aike. And Vargas with that 3 points. At ito na si Vargas. Nagpaparamdam na on the side of the NCF Cubs. Again, you cannot underestimate itong ating NCF Cubs because again, we know kung paano ito maglaro.
And ayun nga, yung kaninang medyo nahihirapan si Vargas on that outside shooting, nagawan niya na ng paraan dito. And nabawi yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng ating ACLC Hawks na just down to 4 yung hinahabol dito. And the time was gold on the side of the ACLC Hawks as of this moment. Medyo mukhang nabasa na nung NCF Junior Cubs yung galawan ngayon ng ACLC. Talagang inihinto nila yung sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng Hawks ngayon. And they are really doing something na itong ating NCF Junior Cubs humabol, gumawa ng magandang momentum with that help coming from R.D. Vargas ng NCF Junior Cubs pagkatapos gumawa ng napakagandang 3-pointer galing sa kanya.
And syempre tin mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Wendy Mapa, Sofia Recto, Christine Zayanco, George Tejada, Catherine Avril Amor de la Torre, kay Tikboy Segura, Irene Tosok, Jonathan Dave Ramirez, kay Dylan Talagtag, Gemma Rose Mata, at kay Giselle Fabricante. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at pagsuporta. Now back to the ball game.
We are back on the ball game here, 7-11 with 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Now after this timeout, ano kaya yung gagawin naman dito ng ating ACLC Hawks dahil napakabilis lang bumawi nitong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now let's see here as Bautista for that rebound. Guarin loses that one. NCF Tigers on the offense now. Javante, pass to Aike, 15 seconds to shoot. Now Borromeo goes inside, will try, pero medyo mahirap lusutan itong mga guardia ng ACLC Hawks. Nahihirapan na gumawa ng magandang gameplay dito ang ating NCF Junior Cubs because of that tight defense of the Hawks. Now let's see here. Jersey number 17, no good. Offensive rebound, Lagundi.
No, NCF with the offense. Aike to Borromeo. Again, ito yung nabanggit mo kanina, talagang ayaw papasukin dito ang ating NCF Tigers. Now, they need a good outside shooting. And wow, that is the connection na talaga namang kanina pa hinahanap nitong ating NCF Cubs. ACLC, ano magiging sagot dito? 4-point lead ang kanilang hawak. And nice steal coming from Loria. Aike to Diamante with no hesitation. Makakapasok pa nga. At samahan pa yan ng foul. Wow. Diamante. Really bright this afternoon.
Grabe yung pinapakita dito ng ating dalawang kubunan. 11-13. Grabe, napakabilis lang bumaba sa dalawa yung kalamangan na hinahabol ngayon ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. And ito na nga yung sinasabi natin, paunti-unti. Pero talagang sigurado na gagawan ng paraan ng NCF Junior Cubs na hindi lumaki yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng Hawks. Now, Lagundi. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to jersey number 17. But that will be a travel and violation committed on the side of the Hawks here.
So another wasted opportunity para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Right now, nasa NCF Cubs naman ang momentum because 1 point lead na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol. Now, ano ang gagawin dito ni Aike and the rest of the NCF Cubs to tie this matchup or even cut the lead? Aike fires for 3, no good, and Gloria pinantayan dun sa ilalim. Talagang hindi niya hinayaang mapupunta sa ACLC Hawks yung bolang yon, and wow, a change of momentum.
Now the NCF Tigers get that 1 point lead here. First lead nitong ating junior Cubs. So let's see. Green, jersey number 17. Hindi ka na mula yung bola. Now Basagre, heavily guarded here. Tries for a quick 3. No good. Chabante with that rebound.
Ayan, naghihiyawan na dito ang NCF community because of the performance ng kanilang player. No good para dito kay Borromeo on the 3-point attempt. Guarin secures that rebound.
Now a 14-13, just a 1 point lead here of the NCF Junior Cubs. 12 seconds to shoot. That ball will stay on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
And substitution for both teams. Jersey number 30, ipapasok sa Hawks, and Jacob ipapasok din on the side of the Cubs.
Now, Rempilio to inbound. A minute and 21 seconds remaining for our first quarter here. Just a 1 point lead. Now ACLC needs to do something right now, but a steal here coming from Vargas. NCF on the offense now. Ready. We have a big gap here. RD for long 3 and in and out ball. Bien secured that rebound. Now let's see here as Basagre goes inside. Passes to Rempilio. No good. Nagmamadali dito. Aike with a fast break. Adjusting that lead and giving a good momentum on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Grabe yung galawan dito ng NCF. Slowly but surely.
Yes.
And they really make sure that every ball possession na hawak nila ngayon ay magandang gameplay yung ibibigay nila.
And the defense though on the side of these NCF Cubs, talagang ayaw nilang papuntosin dito. Inuubos nila yung shot clock on the side of this ACLC Hawks. Now, 30 seconds remaining. Aike to Cummins. Jacob. And a mid-range jumper. Pero block. Napaka-block din on the side of these ACLC Hawks. Now, chance for them to score. No good. Jacob.
Traveling violation here with that 12 seconds remaining. The ACLC Hawks can do something before the first quarter ends. Now let's see here if they can convert a point with that 12 seconds remaining. Now Rempilio passes to Razon. Razon na yun with that height advantage. A big help for the side of the Hawks here. Now Basagre waiting. 3 seconds to shoot. But the whistle foul. Now, 1 second remaining here. Rempilio passes to Naga, fires for a 3-pointer. No good. And that's the end of the first quarter of final safety on the ACLC and NCF in favor of the NCF Chiricals. We'll be back for more actions. quarter of the matchup of the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Junior Cubs. As we can see right now, it changed up momentum before the first quarter ends. Dahil kanina nga po, nasa ACLC Hawks yung magandang momentum dito at lumaki nga yung kalabangan na nahawakan nila dito. But the NCF Junior Cubs hindi pumayag na magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang gameplay dito ng ating ACLC Hawks. And now as we can see on our scoreboard, 3 puntos agad yung kalamangan na ginawa dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Now let's see here, as this is their ball possession, denied by Razon here. But there was a foul. Now, the ball possession of the NCF. No good on that last sequence. ACLC on the offense. Ano kaya pumbawi nila dito after that first quarter? And that ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. And as you can see right now, medyo nahihirapan na dito yung ACLC Hawks with that good defense of the Junior Cubs. So let's see, ano kaya yung naging adjustment ng dalawang kupunan na ito, seeing kung ano nga ba yung naging problema nila during the first quarter of the game. No good on that last sequence. Now ACLC on the run. Razon passes to Basagre. Now Basagre goes inside, tries! Grabe, yung mga gwardiya dito, andyan na si Jacob and Diamante. But Basagre talagang pumasok, inilusot at gumawa ng putos on the side of the Hawks here. Now let's see kung ito nga bang NCF Junior Cubs magiging consistent sa kanilang laro ngayong hapon na ito and take home the win. And after that, Cavens releases a 3 here. Napakagandang offensa on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. At para alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung pagbabago sa gameplay dito sa side ng Junior Cubs, andyan si Maui. Hi Maui, check it away.
Bicolania is the finals game 2 of the Bucal Season 6, and as the season comes to a close, it's not just the games we bid farewell, but also the remarkable career of our graduating players, and that are Borromeo, Diamante, Sudpin, Aike, Loria, Sadulio, Villaruel, and Mortillo. We honor them for giving it their all on and off the hardcourt. In today's clash for the most coveted title, the Cats have adjusted some of their game plan. Their main goal is to lessen the fast break and rebound and turnovers, as this keeps their opponents to keep on scoring. From the timeout, Coach Alwin told his team to strengthen their defense and penetrate the open areas in the hardcourt. Yan muna ang update para dito sa side ng NCF Cubs. Now for more live action, just tune in at Bucal's Facebook page, One Media TV 48 Naga, and Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Dean.
Ayan, thank you so much, Maui, for that update. Now, nabanggit nga dito ni Maui na kailangan mag-step up na dito nitong mga players ng ating NCF Cubs because again, pag nakuha nila itong game number 2, talagang secured na dito yung redemption na tinatawag on their side. And now, Aike with the ball on their side. Jacob looking for his teammate, and traveling violation was called on the side of their team. So, chance on the side of the ACLC Hawks to add their score here.
Now let's see here, Otolan passes to Bautista. The ACLC Hawks needs to do something right now. Stop the bleeding. Doon sa kanilang pagpuntos dito at pag-angat yung kalamangan ng NCF Junior Cubs. So let's see, titignan natin kung saan nga bang parte ng paglalaro ng ACLC players yung kailangan baguhin, kailangan i-improve to give us a good fight this afternoon against the NCF Junior Cubs. And here an update from the side of the Hawks, we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai! Anong balita natin, Zai?
Break and then updates here sa side ng ACLC Hawks. We can see them form a 2-3 zone defense, which is their common choice during games, and one of the observations I had was in the middle of the first quarter nga, we were able to have Nico Bautista back to the playing court despite being suspended during their last game with the Green Serpents. He's establishing quite a great connection with Basagre here. They only have a little catching up since the Tigers are slowly revealing their claws, but then the Hawks are also starting their flight. Let's catch more of them only here on Oragon Sports TV. Igan, we can see that there's quite a technical difficulty. There's something going on inside the hard court. Kaya Tin and Rick, balik muna sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, nabanggit natin dito kanina ang pagbabalik nitong si Nico Bautista na isa sa mga standout player on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, the question is kung paano may-utilize dito sa loob ng hardcourt si Nico Bautista to help their team secure this second round, or rather second game of our finals. Now, it's their ball possession. Speaking of Bautista.
Now, let's see here if the ACLC can do something about the 6-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 21-15, 6 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. Now Bautista to inbound. Passes to Ligan. Now to Bien. 10 seconds remaining here in the other corner. But a whistled foul there. 2 free throws. A little bit given here. Now Bautista on the free throw line for 2 shots here. Bautista, 21-16 here.
And we are halfway through our first half. And 2 shots was good para dito kay Bautista. And now NCF on the offense. Hakup to inbound. And now De La Vieres. Itatawid ang bola. Aike, heavily guarded here by Bautista. Cummins to Hakub with 7 seconds to shoot and no good. The ball will stay on the side of the NCF Cubs with 12 on our shot clock. And a substitution para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Now Hakub to inbound. They need to maximize every ball possession. Aike forcing that one. And a foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. So may chance ulit dito ang NCF. Madagdagan ang kanilang puntos. Now Aike on that free throw line for an opportunity. Clean basket for him. Let's see on his second attempt kung makakakuha pa ba ng magandang point conversion dito si Aike. 22-17. So successful on that 2 shots.
Now, the ACLC Hawks, 6 na puntos yung kailangang habulin nila dito sa ating second quarter to really maintain yung kanilang magandang pagpuntos dito. Bien, no good. Now, Santiago nahihirapan dito. Nagkakagawa ng bola. Rick, good shoutout lang tayo dito kay Rain Olvido, Wendy Mapa, at kay Gian Monteroso. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, it's still the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks here. Razon! Umanap ng paraan dyan para makakuha ng putos and make it just a 4-point lead here. And another turnover for the side ng NCF Junior Cubs after Gamins nakapag-commit na traveling violation dito. Borromeo back on the court here. Bautista to inbound, 23-19. 4-point lead. Now let's see here. Bautista passes to the zone. Now Pasagre with 10 seconds to shoot here. Long two. In and out ball. Sayang para sa side ng Hawks.
And another foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Opportunity on the side of the NCF Cubs here to add their score. Aike looking for teammate, and now ibabalik pala si Borromeo para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now Aike looking for his teammate. Hakub with 5 seconds to shoot.
Denied by Razon, but it's here for the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Borromeo goes inside, tries one more time. And after that, a lot of opportunities here. Borromeo secured that basket, 25-19. Now let's see ano pabawi ng Hawks dito. Dahil malapit-lapit na pong matapos ang ating first half. Basagre. Heavily guarded here. Now let's see. Pass to Bien. Back to Basagre. Bien ngayon titira ng tres. Pumawi agad naman itong ating ACLC Hawks na ako naman. Talagang bakbakan kung bakbakan. Outside shooting na magaganda. Galing sa mga players ng NCF and ACLC Hawks. Now let's see here.
5 seconds to shoot. Aike forcing that one in. And traveling violation. Crucial para dito sa NCF Cubs. At mapapatawag na si Coach Alvin ng timeout because 3 puntos na lamang po dito ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Ano ang gagawin ditong adjustment ng ating NCF Cubs to get a momentum sa pagtatapos nitong ating first half? And on the other side of things, ACLC Hawks, napakaganda din ang paghabol dito sa natitirang 3 minutes and 23 seconds. So matira matibay at pagandahan na lamang dito ng game plan dito sa loob ng hardcourt.
At talaga namang nakaka-excite itong ating labanan ng ACLC and NCF Junior Cubs dahil kitang-kita talaga natin na parehong kupunan po ay determinadong makakuha yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. And as we can see with that score, 25-22, hindi din naman nagkakalayo yung puntos na nagagawa nila dito dahil agad-agad bumabawi. Most especially the ACLC Hawks na ngayon na nakuha ng NCF Junior Cubs yung kalamangan dito, hindi din nila binitawan yung kakunting kalamangan na nagagawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. So let's see here as we continue this second quarter of the game, 25-22, on what will be the game plan of the ACLC Hawks para makakuha ng putos and a good gameplay for their team. Now, 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining here, 25-22 on our scoreboard.
Hawks to inbound.
Now, Hawks on the offense here. Chance to lessen that gap. Basagre. Pass to Bautista. 10 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded by the players of the NCF. Razon with that height advantage. No good.
Hakub securing that rebound. So another opportunity para dito sa NCF Tigers to add their score. Borromeo to Aike with 10 seconds to shoot. again, Borromeo. Sumayaw pa sa ere para dito sa NCF Cubs. Wow! At narinig naman natin dito sa loob ng venue, talagang humiyaw yung ating NCF community. So ano ang sagot dito ng ating ACLC Hawks?
Basagre, no good on that three-pointer. Yan was denied here. And that ball will still stay dito sa ating NCF or to our ACLC Hawks. Now Bautista to inbound. 11 seconds to shoot here. It was a foul. Now with 14 seconds remaining on the side of the ACLC Hawks, Murillo. Bagong pasok para dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. Bautista to inbound now, 27-22. Now Bautista, medyo napalakas doon. Now, this is the ball possession of the NCF Junior Cubs. Pero miscue para sa side ng NCF. Now let's see here, an advantage para dito sa ACLC Hawks. They need to do something, Guarin. A traveling violation was committed by Guarin here.
And now, Teen, down to our last 2 minutes of this first half. NCF to inbound. Murillo to Borromeo. Murillo fires for 3, in and out ball, no good.
Now ACLC. Let's see here. As Bautista gets that ball. Passes on the inside. Para dito kay Bien. Now Bien taking advantage dun sa laro ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang yung ganitong klaseng laro ng Hawks to maintain their good momentum here. Now, let's see. As Ardy Vargas passes to Murillo, releases for a 3, still no good here. Now, Hawks. A quick 3 coming from Saliga, no good.
Borromeo securing the rebound. And basket count, samahan pa ng foul. Well, again, Borromeo ulit dito ang magkakaroon ng puntos on the side of the NCF Cubs.
Now, 55 seconds remaining here. Now, quick shout out to Jov Payago, Carl Gutierrez, Nathalie, Jelay Rida, kaya Dun Amparo, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Borromeo on the free throw line. And Rizal secured that ball possession here, 29-24, just a 5-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. Bautista, they need to do something right now. Pass to Tolan. Tolan goes inside. No good. Guarin with an offensive rebound. And for the third time, nakuha na nga ng NCF Junior Cubs or ng ating ACLC Hawks yung puntos na yan. 29-26. We only have 25 seconds remaining.
RD Vargas in and out ball. Loria securing that one pero wala pa din. Offensive rebound. And a foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. With 9 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating unang half ng laro.
9 seconds remaining here. NCF on the offense.
Borromeo to inbound, looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Vargas and no good para doon sa attempt na yun.
Talagang naipasok pa. Yung puntos na yan on that last sequence. Now let's take a look at it again. Grabe. Itong si Bautista nagpahinga during the game 1 of the NCF and ACLC matchup. At yun, nagbibigay kulay dito. At magbabalik po kami for the second half of the game only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isapuso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community and beyond. Together, let us move forward with a commitment that no one will be left behind. Let us ensure that every Enciano, Nagueño, and Bicolano is valued and uplifted. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
For the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate. Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta.
Back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium for our second half. Again, matchup between the ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Cubs. Ang ating naiwang score, 29-28. 1 point lead lamang ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. So let's see dito sa dalawang quarters kung kanino papanig ang tadhana. Whether it's on the side of the NCF Cubs or the side of the ACLC Hawks. Again, pag nanalo po dito ang NCF Cubs, sila na po ang panalo or ang champion dito sa Bucal Season 6. Pero pag nanalo po dito ang ating ACLC Hawks, magkakaroon po tayo ng Game 3 para dito sa ating finals.
Now, for this third quarter of the game, very crucial quarter for this matchup. Now let's see if the NCF Tigers continuously having a great momentum here or the ACLC kukunin muli yung napakagandang momentum na nisimulan nila kanina lamang. And now pasagre, first basket para sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. And with that, nakuha na nga nila yung isang puntos na kalamangan dito. As we can see on our halftime analysis, a lot of turnovers for the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers na ngayon, kailangan nilang bawasan yung mga turnovers na yan na naging advantage on the side of ACLC Hawks para makagawa ng puntos dito and a good gameplay. Now let's see here, naubusan na nga ng shot clock yung ating NCF Tigers. Now this is the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. No good. And that ball will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now Ike to inbound. Passing the ball to Borromeo. An opportunity for them to steal the lead na hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks, pero no good on the 3-point attempt coming from Vargas. And now, Basagre may hawak ng bola on the side of the ACLC Hawks, heavily guarded here, and secures that one para sa kanilang kupunan. So napakagandang simula para dito sa ating third quarter on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, Aike with the ball on the side of the NCF Tigers, passing it to Borromeo and back to him. And forcing that one. So a foul was called on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And I believe 2 shots will be given on the side of the NCF Cubs, courtesy of Jaed Aike. 32-29 on our scoreboard. At ano kaya ang gagawin pa dito on the side of the ACLC Hawks? Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter. Hi Zai, anong update dyan?
Nandito na tayo sa third quarter at ang score nga ay 29-32. Kitang-kita ang adjustments ng ACLC Hawks at kanilang 2-3 zone defense. Nag-shift na sila ngayon sa 4-1 setup. This change focuses more on controlling the paint and stopping the drives of the Cubs. It's a clear tactical move to counter the Cubs' fast-paced offense and slow down their momentum. This game is so intense and tightly consistent. Are they're all refusing to back down. We're witnessing a final smash. So remember, now aking mga updates dito sa side ng NCLC Hawks. Back to the panel or balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Azai. Yan nga, magpo-focus ngayon doon sa 4-1 defense itong ating ACLC Hawks para mabawasan yung tuloy-tuloy na pagputos dito ng NCF Tigers, which is a good thing for the side of the ACLC Hawks now. Because as we can see right now, having that 3-point lead sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter, hindi madali. But now, as we approach here the ball possession of the ACLC Hawks, they still have the chance here to widen that gap. Now Garin passes on the outside, Basagre for a mid-range jumper with the help of the board. John Bernard Basagre. Grabe yung inilalaro niya dito all throughout the season of Bucal. Good performance coming from him. But now let's see what will be the adjustment on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs na ngayon ay kitang-kita naman na talagang mahirap kalaban itong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, Borromeo for a 3-pointer, no good, but an offensive rebound. And there was some foul there. And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs kung ano nga ba pagbabago ng gateway sa kanilang second half, andyan si Maui. Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Teen, we are now at the second half of the most thrilling action of the Bucal Season 6 Finals Game 2. And then we can feel the electrifying energy of our supporters here in the Ateneo Gymnasium. As the Cubs are now grasping their advantage, they need to keep their momentum, not to be complacent, knowing kung gaano din kalakas ang kanilang kalaban. From the timeout, Coach Alwin mentioned to keep their eyes on Guarin and Basagre that are now being deadly in the hardcourt. He added na huwag madali ng laban dahil mas lalo itong dumadagdag pa sa pressure ng team. Borromeo continues to remind his team na huwag panghinaan ng loob and keep their focus on the hardcourt. As the riveting action continues, the coaches wanted to see an all-out action for the Cubs to steal the championship. Now for more live action, continues na magtutok dito sa Bucal Season 6. One Media TV 48 Naga. Maraming sports liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Maui, for that update. So yun nga, kailangan ditong bantayan itong si Basagre and Guarin on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Pero again, 1-point lead na lamang hawak ngayon ng ACLC.
Now that ball will stay on that side. 11 seconds to shoot here. 33-34. Just a 1-point lead of the Hawks here. 7-2. Now Wotolan. Down to 5 seconds. Bautista for a long three coming from Bautista. Hindi pa tapos dito yung maganda momentum sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter ng ACLC Hawks. Pero yung nagiging problema kasi sa kanila dito, sa umpisa napakaganda ng offense and defense na ibinibigay ng ACLC Hawks. Pero pagtawid ng halfway ng quarter, doon na medyo nagkakalabuan itong mga players ng ACLC Hawks. So they need to be consistent right now from the start up until the end of the quarter. As we can see, the performance of Basagre here. Pero ngayon is still coming from the NCF. Gloria Pampawi dyan para sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Wow, yun yung connection dito na hinahanap ni Coach Alwin on his players. 2-point lead ang dapat ingatan dito ng ACLC Hawks.
Now, yan.
Great block. Pero andon si Guarin. In and out ball. Wow. What a defense on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now it's their ball possession. Borromeo forcing that one in. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul itong si Borromeo. Offensive foul.
And now, the defensive foul was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now, ACLC still have an opportunity here on Tolan. Another basket para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Sana bago magtapos itong third quarter, talagang hawak na hawak pa rin ng ACLC Hawks yung magandang momentum nila dito na naigawa sa start ng ating third quarter. Now, Ike. 2 seconds. Tries. And a basket for the Tigers.
Ayaw mag-iwanan itong dalawang kupunan. Now, ACLC Hawks on the offense. At nagpapaula naman ng tres dito itong ating ACLC Hawks. Wow!
Now, a straight 5 points coming from Ontolan. Grabe yung third quarter para dito. Kay jersey number 6 Ontolan, napakagandang performance na pinapakita. Now, NCF on the offense.
7 seconds to shoot. Ike with his own version of 3. And this is the finals, everyone.
Grabe yung palitan ng tres dito ng ACLC and NCF. Napakagandang tingnan. From the offense to the defense, talagang mas pinaiting, mas pinaganda nitong ating dalawang kupunan. Now, let's take a look at it again. Now, that's Ontolan for his 3-pointer. Napakalinis dun sa basket ng ating ACLC. Wala on the other side, Ike, sumagot din naman agad. And with that, 2 puntos lamang yung hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Kaya kailangan nilang talagang bantayan yung laro dito ngayon ng NCF Tigers if they really want to have this kind of gameplay at maiwasan yung paghabol ng NCF Tigers. Now, Razon. Second free throw. No good. Now, NCF.
NCF with the ball possession. Supin to Borromeo.
Now, a heated face-off para dito sa mga players.
So let's wait on the decisions of our referee here. I believe magkakaroon tayo ng review on that last sequence.
Grabe, third quarter pa lamang po ito. At kitang-kita naman kasi natin, napaka-intense ng laban,
Yes.
napakaganda ng opensa at depensa. Talagang nagkakaintan dito dahil ito na nga para sa NCF Tigers, gustong-gusto na nilang makuha yung kampiyonato ngayong hapon na
Yes,
ito.
Tin.
Pero lumalaban yung ACLC Hawks because they want to extend this series up to the Game 3.
Ayan, let's see. And let's wait on the announcement of our officials kung kanino mapupunta yung tawag na yon. And a quick shout out para sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out po kay Angelo Deliva, Nathalie Jane, Roland Almunicar, Cassie Alea De La Torre, Stephanie Saonoy, Jasper Tarobias, Gian Franco Celino, Roland Almunicar at kay Reina Bello. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunood.
And of course, sa ating live viewers din po dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood ngayong hapon na ito dahil napaka-exciting talaga ng ating bakbakan ngayong hapon na ito. At hindi pa yan nagtatapos dahil meron pa tayong Game 2 ng ating Seniors Division naman po para sa ating Ateneo versus NCF. Isang magandang laban din po yung ating mapapanood mamaya. And of course, awarding ceremony din po yung ating aabangan mamaya. At makikilala na natin yung ating mga individual players na nag-stand out sa kanilang mga kupunan.
Ayan, talagang kaabang-abang din dito. Maya-maya yung ating awarding because again, hindi natin alam kung kanino mapupunta yung MVP award and at the same time, yung mga Mythical 5 for both seniors and juniors, talagang titignan natin kung sino yung nag-step up dito sa mga players na ito.
Now, quick shout out to Hannah Gonzalez, Erich Umbria, kay Ezra Dunca, Nathalie Jane, Angelo Deliva, kay Gian Hagasohos, Adeline Ramos, Erlinda Arenas, at kay Mark Kenneth Wheat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antay. And if you're a supporter of the ACLC Hawks, talagang gustong-gusto nyong makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito para mapanood ulit yung laro dito at talagang bakbakan na to kapag umabot pa ng Game 3 dahil hindi na natin alam talaga kung ano yung mangyayari dito. Talagang ibubuhos na nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito yung lahat-lahat para sa larong ito. And also, shout out to Sanal Nuica, kay Chris Chavez, Jethro Valvaredo, kay JP Palmaria, at kay Rogelio Mantua. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-atabay. But now, kudos lang sa performance dito ng lahat ng players, both the NCF and the ACLC Hawks. Because as we can see right now, lahat nagsa-step up, lahat nagpapakitang gilas. Most especially on the side of the ACLC Hawks, we have Basagre and Warin. While on the other side, itong si Borromeo, we also have Vargas, Supin, as well as Loria, na talagang napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila ngayon. And consistency is the key to get the win this afternoon. Now, natatawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul si jersey number 13 ng NCF Tigers na si Borromeo. A free throw will be given here to jersey number 17 plus a ball possession. Now jersey number 17 now. No good. Now second. Nako, pati yung mga fans dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium, sobrang ingay na po, supporting for their team. Second free throw, that's good. That little girl from the NCF community supporting the Junior Cubs. Now ball possession of the ACLC Hawks. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Let's see here as the ACLC have a 3-point lead here. Razon passes to Sandigan. Hahanap dito. Guarin was there. Madres jumper in and out ball. Now Diamante secured that rebound.
Ay, tatawid ang bola on their side. We need to be careful at this moment because nasa penalty situation na dito itong ating NCF Cubs. Borromeo to inbound.
Oh, and a steal from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, they are on the offense. And still the momentum is high on the side of the ACLC. 15 seconds for a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, Razon for a second chance point. And we're seeing here yung ating ACLC community tuwang-tuwa para sa mga players ng Hawks dito. Now NCF with 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here, Ike. Now Ike goes inside, passes to Diamante. Now Diamante nahihirapan dito. And that will be a turnover. Now that's a great defense na nakikita nga natin ngayon sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Lahat gumagalaw, lahat nagbabantay dito, which is very important at this moment. A very crucial one, but Borromeo steals that ball. Denied, and a foul. The intense matchup of this juniors division. Grabe, yung ating napapanood ngayong hapon na ito. Now Borromeo on that free throw line, 40-45. NCF now on the penalty here. 5 puntos, and Borromeo can lessen that with his 2 free throws. No good on that first free throw. Now Borromeo, second. Still no good here. Now a lost opportunity for the NCF Junior Cubs. Now Razon passes to the other corner. Back to Razon. Heavily guarded here. Goes inside. Tries. Oh! With the foul. Let's take a look at it again as Razon having that basket with 1 free throw, a 3-point opportunity here. And the ACLC, nakita mo Rick, hindi na lang sa simula ng third quarter uminit itong ating ACLC Hawks. Talagang humaba na yung magandang momentum na pinangahawakan nila ngayon. And this is what they need para sa last quarter of the game if they really want to extend the series to Game 3. Now, Razon. That's good. A 3-point play here on the side of the ACLC. Now, Borromeo for a 3-pointer. No good. Pasagre with that rebound. Now passes to Mase. Mase ngayon nagmamadali dito. Tries. Oh, small but incredible. Francis Mase. A good offense now. Ngayon, double-digit lead po ang hawak ng ACLC. Anong pambawi ng NCF Junior Cubs? Diamante denied. And a traveling violation. A lot of turnovers here on the side of the Junior Cubs. And as we can see, yung momentum na ginagawa ngayon ng Hawks dito sa ating third quarter, this is still the third quarter of the game. This kind of game is very important para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Consistency is the key up until the last quarter of the game. But Diamante sticks in, steals that ball. Pero too short on that one, sayang dito. And now Mase, again, one more time. Papasok sa loob. Pupuntos. Magbibigay ng ingay on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Francis Mase. What a good player here. Now let's take a look at it again. Grabe, iniwasan yung mga gwardiya dyan ng ating NCF Junior Cubs.
12-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks at tuwang-tuwa nga dito yung fans ng ating ACLC. Now a snapshot on the side of the ACLC. Talagang gustong-gusto nilang makuha itong laro na ito to force this NCF Cubs na magkaroon ng game number 3. And wow, dito sa ating third quarter, talagang kontrolado dito ng ACLC Hawks yung laro. Napakaganda. And let's see after this timeout on the side of the NCF Cubs kung makakabawi na ba itong kanilang kupunan.
Grabe din dito, hindi nakagalaw yung NCF Junior Cubs doon sa sunod-sunod na ball possession na meron sila dahil napakahigpit po ng depensang ipinakita ng ACLC Hawks. And you can see right now the NCF community buhay na buhay pa rin, giving the NCF Junior Cubs their full support here at talagang nasa likod para sumuporta. And we also have the ACLC community na talagang tuwang-tuwa po ngayon because having a 12-point lead here is a big one for them.
Now NCF with the ball possession. Aike to inbound. A minute and 14 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Very crucial for these NCF Cubs. They need to bounce back sa nagiging laro ngayon ng ating ACLC Hawks.
No good on that free throw of RD Vargas. For the second one, still no good here. But Borromeo, without rebound, securing another ball possession here. Now Vargas, heavily guarded here by Mase. Pass to Aike. Now Aike goes inside, tries. Pero nagkakagawa ng bola dito. But that will be a 24-second shot clock violation. Another turnover. Madami na yung turnover na nakomit dito ng NCF Junior Cubs during the first half of the game. And up until now, Isabel sa naging problema nila dito sa ating third quarter. Now Mase. Passes to Bautista. Bautista to Rozon. With 10 seconds to shoot here. Basagre goes inside. Lumilipad dito si John Bernard Basagre. And hindi na lang siya yung gumagalaw dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. A good combination of players sa pagpasok ng ating third quarter. Now let's see. Vargas. No good on that one. No whistle foul. Now Basagre continues to go inside. That will be a back-to-back point here. As John Bernard Basagre, buhay na buhay. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita. Yung opensa, grabe. Now let's take a look at it again as John Bernard Basagre para lang pumapasok sa isang napakahirap na obstacle pero talagang nalulusutan. And now RD Vargas is down on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. One of the key players of the NCF Junior Cubs, but yung performance niya during the first quarters of the game here. Hindi natin medyo nakita dito. Just like the game number 1 against the ACLC. But now let's see. We still have a lot of time here para sa ating last quarter dito. But as of the moment, last 4 seconds remaining on our third quarter with a big 16-point lead here. The biggest gap of this matchup. Now, Borromeo. 4 seconds to shoot here. What will the NCF do? Passes to Diamante, but a steal here, Razon. And that's the end of the third quarter. 40-56, 16-point lead in favor of the ACLC Hawks. We will be back for more intense fourth quarter only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back for our fourth and last quarter of the game. And as we can see right now, a big gap was stretched here on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 40-56. Stuck sa 16-point lead ng ating ACLC. And they are really happy with that kind of performance. But they need to be consistent if they really want to win this game this afternoon. Now Borromeo passes to Aike. 15 seconds to shoot here. Aike loses that ball. Nagkakaagawan dito. That ball will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe yung depensa dito ng Hawks sa pagpasok pa lamang ng ating fourth quarter.
Now another opportunity on their side. 56-40. Very crucial if you are on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now ACLC Hawks. Substitution on their side. Ball possession ng kanilang kupunan.
Now Masa to inbound here. 40-56 still on our scoreboard. Now Untolan passes to Razon. Now Razon for a mid-range jumper, no good. An offensive rebound, Pasagre. No good this time. But a foul was whistled.
Another opportunity on the side of the ACLC Hawks here to widen the gap and force to have a Game 3 dito sa ating finals.
Now second free throw of Basagre here. Let's see if we can have a 17-point lead. That's good.
the biggest lead so far para dito sa ating matchup. Now, NCF Cub needs to convert at this moment.
And still here from the side of the ACLC Razon. No good. But a whistled foul.
Now, another foul was called on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, to hear an update sa side nitong NCF Cubs, ano ba ang gagawin ditong adjustment knowing na this is the last and final quarter for this match? Now, Maui, anong balita dyan?
Bicolania, we are now stepping into the fourth and final stretch of this match. And now, the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Cubs continue to brawl for the championship. The pressure is on dahil nga parehong uhaw sa panalo ang dalawang teams. As we had a turn of events on the third quarter of the Cubs confidence has been a missing piece. Coach Alwin reminded the team na marami pang oras at hindi pa tapos ang laban. He added na kailangan nilang umatake para maibaba ang labang ng kalaban. The Cubs only need to show their courage and to keep their head up as they still have 10 minutes left to make the most out of it. Will the Cubs rise to the challenge? Malalaman natin yan. Tutok lang dito sa Bucal Season 6. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Maui. Ayan, itong ating NCF Junior Cubs, they feel pressured right now because having this kind of game against the ACLC, talagang kung sino naman, talagang mag-pressure dito dahil napakaganda ng performance na binibigay ng ating ACLC Hawks sa laban na ito. But of course, the only thing that the NCF Junior Cubs to do right now is to calm down, stick to the game plan, have a good defense as well as the defense to really have a good momentum dito sa ating fourth quarter. But now, on that last free throw, Francis Mase having that first basket. Well, let's see here if they can extend the lead into 20. And that's it. 20 na po yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng ACLC Hawks. Very unbelievable. Kaya naman, ano kaya yung ginawa dito ng ACLC to have this kind of good defense as well as the offense? Zai, anong balita on the side of the Hawks here?
Tin and Rick, nandito na tayo sa final quarter ng second game sa pagitan ng NCF Cubs at ACLC Hawks. At talaga namang napakainit ng laban. Ang momentum ngayon ay nasa panig ng Hawks na nagawang makuha ang kalamangan sa natapos na third quarter. The team is feeling really good about their position and they're coming into this final stretch with a lot of confidence. Isa sa mga standout performances ngayong araw ay mula kay jersey number 17 Ralph Francis Mase with his drive and shoot plays. He has been nothing short of phenomenal, showcasing not just skill but also determination. Talagang nakakapanindig balahibo ang kanyang mga galaw at isa siya sa mga dahilan kung bakit nakakalamang ngayon ang Hawks. Hindi matapos ang laban at siguradong magiging intense pa ang mga huling minuto ng larong ito. Kaya balik muna sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, Azai, for that update. So yun nga, ACLC Hawks, napakaganda ng momentum at this moment. 20 big points. Yan po ang hawak nila ngayon. No good on that attempt para dito kay Vargas. Let's see one more time. And a clean basket for him.
Now ACLC with a 19-point lead here. They can extend this. Now Sandigan passes to Bautista. Mazon ngayon, tatawid. But a steal from the side of the NCF Borromeo. And still, up until now, nahihirapan ditong gumawa ng puntos. Itong ating NCF Tigers, they are struggling through their offense here right now. And even free throws, medyo nahihirapan sila dito. this is still very important for them, most especially na sila yung naghahabol ngayon.
Yes. 60-41. A very comfortable lead on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, this is the moment na kailangan mag-step up dito ng ating NCF Cubs. Basket for him. They really need this one. One more time for Borromeo. Now, ACLC Hawks, they need to be consistent at dagdagan pa itong napakalaking kalamangan. The biggest so far for this game. Basket for him.
Now, 43-60, still a big point lead here. Now, will ACC or ACLC gets this win this afternoon. Now, Masi again goes inside, passes here for a fadeaway shot, no good. But that ball will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. An opportunity for them para paunti-unti nilang bawasan yung hinahabol nila dito sa ating last quarter.
Supin to Borromeo. Great connection, pero poor execution. And now Mase. Great steal. Now, Borromeo tries for another one. Sutpin, mid-range jumper, no good. Guarin securing that one. But a crucial traveling violation was called para dito sa ating ACLC Hawks. Again, no room for complacency. Now NCF Cubs. Another opportunity for them. So pin to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot. Diamante looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Vargas fires for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. And magkakakuha dito ng free throw shot itong ating NCF Cubs.
Now the NCF Junior Cubs still struggling here because of that tight defense of the ACLC Hawks. Kung makikita natin with the height advantage, mas lamang itong ating NCF Tigers. So talagang yun yung ginagamit nilang palaban dito against the ACLC Hawks. But at the same time, itong ating Hawks naman, opensa yung kanilang inilalaban nila dito. And we have Guarin also to lead the group or the team into the good defense. Now, Lagundi with that rebound. Pass now to Sagre. 44-60. But that will be an 8 seconds violation. A lost opportunity para dito sa ACLC Hawks. Naku, mukhang delikado kapag pinapabayaan nila yung mga ganitong insidente na kung saan mas mapapadami yung mga timeout dito ng ating mga coaches. So, let's still look at it. And we have a timeout call on the side of the ACLC Hawks. 44-60, 6 minutes and 35 seconds remaining.
Ngayon sa ating pagbabalik, matutunghayan natin ulit ang ating fourth quarter match only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
for the continuation of this intense matchup of our finals came to NCF Tigers, or the NCF Junior Clubs, up against the ACLC Hawks. And as we can see right now, ACLC, napakalaking kalamangan po yung hawak nila ngayon. 16-point lead, and they are also on the penalty. At sa nakikita natin ngayon, medyo nahihirapan talaga makakonvert ng point itong ating NCF Junior Clubs dahil doon sa maigting na pagharang nitong ating ACLC players doon sa loob, maski sa labas. Kaya napakaganda nung naging tactic dito ng ACLC na gawing 4-1 yung kanilang defense, kung saan talagang maiiwasan o mapapahinto nila yung magandang momentum dito ng NCF Junior Clubs. And with that last sequence, unang basket sa ating last quarter ay napunta sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks. But after that last sequence, a timeout or a foul was whistled here.
Borromeo stepping on that free throw line for another opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, let's see kung makakakuha ba dito ng point conversion itong ating NCF Cubs. One more time for him. Let's see kung makakakuha ng another point. So yun nga. 1 point was added on their team.
Now ACLC on the offense here. Sandigan. 6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining here for our final quarter. Ngayon, paunti-unti na kinukuha ito ng NCF Junior Clubs. So the ACLC needs to be consistent right now dahil kalahati na lang yung kailangan nilang pagtrabahuhan dito at manatili yung kalamangan sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Sandigan releases the 3, no good. But nagkakaagawan dito ng rebound.
So ball possession will go on the side of the NCF Cubs. And remember, penalty na po dito. Penalty situation na ang ating ACLC Hawks. So kailangan ditong maging maingat nitong kupunan na ito if they want to continuously dominate this ball game. So pin to Vargas. Borromeo heavily guarded here. Again, tight defense.
Grabe yung pagpapahirap ngayon ng NCF or ng ating ACLC Hawks sa ating Junior Cubs dahil talagang hirap na hirap sila dito to have a good gameplay and to convert it into a point. Now, at this point of time, will the NCF Junior Clubs go home as the champion of our Bucal Season 6 Juniors Division, or the ACLC Hawks yung makakakuha po ng panalo ngayong hapon at magkikita-kita muli tayo para sa ating Game 3. But ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating natitirang minuto ng laro. But still, it is very a very exciting one para dito sa ating dalawang punana. Borromeo. It's a foul here. Now, the NCF Junior Cubs needs to come down and to really have a good gameplay here. Too much pressure talagang magbibigay sa kanila ng hindi masyadong magandang paglalaro dito inside the court. But on the other side, the ACLC Hawks, a very comfortable lead. Pero hindi dapat magpakampante dahil alam naman natin humahabol itong ating NCF Junior Cubs. Second free throw was no good. Now Borromeo. Another free throw here.
So another opportunity para dito kay Borromeo. And a clean basket for him. Now ACLC Hawks with the ball possession.
Now Francis Mase back on the court here. Now Lagundi. Pass to Razon. But you're ready now. ACLC ngayon na may hawak ng napakalaking kalamangan. Pero grabe din yung pag-awantay na binibigay dito ng ating NCF Junior Cubs. And after that sequence, it will be a traveling violation.
So lumabas yung bola on that last sequence. Now NCF with their chance here to get a score, but no good. Now, ito na naman si Basagre with that fast break. Pero no good para doon. Pero makakakuha din dito ng foul itong ating ACLC Hawks na si Basagre. So, free throw opportunity on their side. And 2 shots was good para dito kay Basagre. Again, leading their team here to force these NCF Cubs na magkaroon ng game number 3. Crucial error on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now ACLC fires for 3, Mase, no good. Diamante securing the rebound. Tatawin ni Supinang bola. Borromeo. Traveling violation ang itatawag. So much pressure on the side of the NCF Cubs. Now, ACLC, they should maximize every error na nagagawa ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. ACLC to inbound para dito sa ating natitirang 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Both teams are now on the penalty situation. "15 seconds to shoot para sa ACLC Hawks. No good. NCF secures that rebound. Aike passing the ball to Vargas. Aike lulusot sa gitna pero wala dito. Pero nice offensive rebound.
Now, the ACLC Hawks having this big lead and a momentum. Basagre! Grabe yun! Ang daming dinaanan ni John Bernard Basagre. But still, it's a basket for them. What a great player from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Grabe yung deep opensa nitong ating ACLC Hawks. Now, NCF needs to do something right now. And the NCF Junior Cubs still struggling here. Ontolan. with that ball, passes to Bien. Bien goes inside with the foul. Nakakakilabot yung napakagandang momentum ng ACLC ngayon. Are we having a Game 3? And the ACLC community, napakasaya nila doon sa sunod-sunod na pagpuntos ng kanilang mga players. Now, a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs because they can see right now kung ano nga ba yung kulang doon sa kanilang kupunan. Ang daming opportunity yung nawala dito sa side ng ating NCF Junior Cubs na kahit yung mga simple, hindi nila nagagawa ng paraan dito, which is very crucial at this point. We only have 3 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. At kailangan na talagang mag-step up itong ating mga players. Most especially, itong ating starting lineup, we have Borromeo as well as Vargas na medyo hindi natin naramdaman yung magandang gameplay nila and connection during this game against the ACLC Hawks.
So let's see after this timeout kung magkakaroon na ba or magigising na ba dito ang NCF Cubs or again itong ACLC Hawks. Mukhang aabangan tayo on that Game 3 for these both teams. Talagang unpredictable ang nangyayari dito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. And to hear an update sa side ng ACLC Hawks, ano kaya ang gagawin pa dito ng kanilang kupunan to secure this game number 2? Now, Zay, iba to mo na yan.
Tin and Rick, nandito na tayo sa huling 3 minuto ng laro at mukhang tuluyan ng dinodomina ng ACLC Hawks ang laban. Their defense is firing on all cylinders, leading the charge. Napakaganda nga ng kanilang execution, showcasing incredible poise under pressure. Their opponent is slowly catching up na nga. That's why they need to increase their movement, their mobility quite a little more. It's going great and it's definitely going well. Kaya let's support our Hawks as they make their flight on the highest skies. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Azai. We can feel that the ACLC Hawks talagang nag-enjoy sila during that last sequence na napakaganda nung gameplay na ibinibigay nila ngayon dito. And now, at this point, we only have 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining for our last quarter. The NCF Junior Cubs kailangan mag-step up dito. All they can do right now is to lessen that gap because it will be very hard for them if ever man na maibaba pa nila ng todo yung kalamangan na hawak kayo ng ACLC Hawks. Seeing how good this momentum on the side of the ACLC. Now, no good on that last attempt. But a whistle foul here. At ngayon naman, yung ating NCF Junior Cubs still struggling here to get a point. Ano kaya yung gagawin nilang adjustment with this remaining time? Hi Maui, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Tin, this game has proved that everything is possible in just a glimpse of time. Now that the Cubs are on an ardent situation, kailangan nilang mas pangpag-igihan sa loob ng hardcourt. The team needs to show an all-out action now and think of their purpose as to why they are here. Will the Hawks extend their contention for the championship or will the Cubs steal the title? We will find that out. This is Maui Balana reporting from the side of the NCF Cubs. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Maui, for that update. Yun nga, nasa crucial moments itong ating NCF Cubs. Let's see kung makakakuha ba sila dito ng magandang panapos.
Now, a 20-point lead. A very big gap. And Basagre no good. But nagkakagawan dito sa rebound. And that ball will go on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs. 20 points na hinahabol ng NCF. Mukhang napakahirap sa natitirang 2 minutes and 19 seconds of the game. But they just need to have a great defense here. Tighten it at huwag hayaan na itong ating ACLC Hawks ay makalusot at makagawa pa ng puntos. Now NCF, no good. Basagre secured that one. Now Razon. Back to Basagre. 17 seconds to shoot here. That ball stays on the side of the ACLC. And time was called para dito sa mga Hawks. And 49-69. What a good game we have here right now, most especially on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Dahil in-expect natin na talagang dikit yung magiging bakbakan. But as we can see right now, the ACLC Hawks gets that 20 big lead. 20 na puntos po yung kailangang habulan ngayon ng NCF Tigers with that only remaining time. So it will be hard, but still, the game is on.
So again, tutok lamang po tayo dito kasi palapit na po tayo and malalaman na natin kung ito bang ACLC Hawks is magfo-force talaga ng ating Game 3 or makakahabol pa din ba itong NCF Cubs. So yan ang dapat nating abangan sa natitirang 2 minutes and 2 seconds dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And also live na live po tayo sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, One Media TV48 Naga, and also on our YouTube channel, One Media TV48 Naga.
And now, we are back on the ball game. Both teams are now on the penalty here. 49-69, 2 minutes and 2. You can see the fans here of both communities supporting the NCF and the ACLC Hawks. Now at this point, will be the ball possession of the ACLC. Now Basagre to inbound. Passes here to Lagodi. And that's it. We are on the last 2 minutes of the game, having a big 20-point lead of the ACLC Hawks. Now on Tolan. Passes to the outside to Lagodi. And that ball will stay on the side of the Hawks here. With only 1 second remaining. Mabilisan lang to. Now on Tolan. Passes here to Lagodi. Pero naubusan na dyan. A 24-second shot clock violation here.
NCF on the offense. Borromeo, heavily guarded here. They need to lessen this gap.
And that ball possession will go on the side of the ACLC Hawks. But still, napakaganda nung ibinigay sa atin ng NCF Junior Cubs during the first quarters of the game. Pero medyo nahirapan lang sila dito sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter, which is a big advantage on the side of the ACLC Hawks to get this great momentum on their side. Nakakagawa ng bola dito. A traveling violation. A minute and 21. Napakabilis lang ng ating oras at maya-maya i-announce lang din kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. But as of the moment, Basagre to inbound here with 14 seconds to shoot. Now Basagre passes here to Kien, back to Basagre. 10 seconds. Heavily guarded here. Lagundi goes inside. Nagkalap dito ng papasahan na Rizon was there. At naubusan na nga ng oras dyan. And with this time, a minute and 7 seconds, yung 20 puntos na hinahabol ng NCF, napakahirap na pong gawan ng paraan dito. Dahil naman tingnan mo, napaka-intense ng depensa, napakaganda ng opensa, dagdagan mo pa ng isang John Bernard Basagre. At meron pang foul na naitawag dyan. So that will be a 3-point opportunity here for Basagre. Basagre. That's good. A 3-point play here. 51 seconds remaining. A big gap of the ACLC against the NCF Tigers. We didn't expect this kind of game because we're expecting something more intense.
Yes.
Something more power on the side of the NCF Junior Cubs dahil alam naman natin na they can have this kind of momentum at kunin na yung kampiyonato against the ACLC. But look at now, the ACLC having this kind of momentum, napakaganda. And I think we're just waiting for the confirmation here that we are having a Game 3.
It really shows na gustong-gustong i-extend nitong ating ACLC Hawks ang ating laro. And kudos to all the ACLC Hawks community. Magkita-kita po tayo sa game number 3. Again, matchup between the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. So sa aming pagbabalik, makikilala po natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Sa pagdiriwang natin ng Kapaskuhan ngayong taon, isapuso natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa, ang pagkilos ng magkakasama bilang isang komunidad at isang institusyon. Ang Pasko ay panahon ng pagtutulungan kung saan wala dapat maiiwan at ang bawat isa ay bahagi ng pagbangon at tagumpay. May this season inspire each and every Tiger to reach out to those in need, extend our blessings, and build a stronger NCF community.
Paskong may pagkakaisa.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF.
And there you have it. ACLC Hawks forces the NCF Cubs to go on our Game 3 dito sa ating finals. And our best player of the game is brought to us by ACLC Naga, where senior high school is absolutely free. And together with me is our best player of the game, jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre, with 28 big points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist, and 3 steals. So congratulations on your big win, Basagre. So ano yung nararamdaman mo dahil na-force nyo itong larong ito, itong ating finals into game number 3?
Unang-una po, masaya kasi na force pa namin para po mag-game 3 and makabawi po para makuha ang champion.
Talagang kitang-kita namin ang effort nitong ACLC Hawks, and I'm sure talagang aabangan din natin yung magiging game number 3 next week. So ano pa yung magiging preparations nyo knowing na itong NCF Cubs for sure magbabounce back ito dito sa pagkatalo nila sa ating game number 2?
Una po, kahit po nanalo kami, todo effort pa po kami, triple effort para po mag-practice and para makuha itong inaasam namin na champion po.
And lastly, you can shout out or batiin mo yung mga fans nyo from day 1 up until this game number 2. And I'm sure excited sila on our game number 3 next week.
Una po, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord God kasi binigay po sa amin ang panalong to, kay Sir Adrian sa todo support niya para sa team namin, kay sa asawa niya si Ma'am Steph, sa mga ACLC, sa mga teachers po, sa mga student na nagsusupport sa amin, sa mga coaches namin na todo support po para makuha namin to, and sa papa ko, shoutout po sa papa ko, sa nanay ko, sa mga kaibigan ko po, shoutout sa inyo.
And again, congratulations. Together with me is our best player of the game, John Bernard Basagre.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 3, John Bernard Basagre. What a great performance coming from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Kaya naman po, magkikita-kita muli tayo para sa ating Game 3 ng ating Juniors Division. Again, I am Christine Alcanza Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta. Maya-maya po is our awarding ceremony only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.